Thank you for choosing Phillips Chevrolet.
This is a certified pre-owned 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche, made for the job site, the trail, and the town. Among the many superb features on this Chevrolet there are a power seat, power windows, a CD player, dual airbags, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has just over 34,000 miles. The steadfast 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, has enough power to pull a trailer or cruise around town. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This truck won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Phillips Chevrolet is located at 33 West Lincoln Highway between Route 30 and 45 in Frankfort, Illinois.